Hello my beautiful queen, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in this look, just kindly subscribe and keep watching. So first of all, I have prepared the skin by applying moisturizer and primer, and then I went on to apply foundation, and I'm going with my concealer just like that. So make sure that you apply flawlessly using the beauty blender for the foundation, and the concealer you can start by the brush, then later I used the beauty blender just like this, and I went to put concealer on the bridge of the nose and on the forehead and under the eyes. So that's where we need to highlight, and then I went with my contour stick just to make the nose straight and snatched, just like that. And I went on to blend it. So after blending it, I went on to put concealer because the concealer had faded away, just to highlight, just like this. And I repeated the concealer application again. So you can do the concealer application as many as you want, but you don't need to put a lot of product, because the more the product, the high chances of creasing. So I'm using my damp beauty blender just to blend. So when blending, just tap. Do not drag your beauty blender. So I went on to tap, just as you can see guys. And when you're applying, do not spread the concealer where it's not supposed to be. So I was just focusing on the eyes and below, and I went with the contour stick just to apply to contour. So when you do this, it makes the face to, it lifts the face. And I went with the lipstick just as blush. So if you are not sure where to put this blush, you can make your client to smile, then you put all exactly on the cheeks, on the apple of the cheeks. And then I blended it to make sure that there is no harsh lines, just like that. And after blending, I went on to set the concealer. Where I put the concealer, I just went with this setting powder just to set. So you need a setting powder that is lighter than your skin tone, or exact of your skin tone. We don't use what is dark, because we just want to highlight. So I saw some creases, your finger can blend, so I just blended. I use my finger as a blending tool. So to apply this setting powder, I'm just tapping it in. I'm just pressing it in, not too hard, not too soft, just pressing it normal on the skin so that we set it and it can stay. So after applying the setting powder on the places to highlight, I went on and applied the powder that is the compact powder that is closer to your skin tone, just on the remaining sides. And I applied blush that is a bit like red on her cheeks, where we applied the lipstick just to set that little blush. And then I went on to bronze her nose just to set the contour. Then I went to trace the exact shape of her eyebrows, just like that. So for eyebrows, I just do the simple one, that 2 lines up and down, just tracing, and I filled just inside, but I didn't fill to the where we started, because if you feel where you start, it's going to be a box shaped eyebrow. So you just fill from between going to the end, so that it will leave an ombre effect, just like how our eyebrows look. That is not too much where they are starting, but you will see them shaded or filled from the middle part going to the end. So that's how our eyebrows should look. And I went with my flat brush and the color, so I just trace, and I use a blending, very blender, just to blend. So if you're a beginner, try to use a blending brush for this. And I traced here just like that again, and I blend on top of the eyebrow, the other side, and I blend. So you can use foundation on top and concealer below. And then I'm putting my eyeshadow, just preparing to use it to make a cut crease, just like that. So as I'm putting, I'm just going towards the nose, just to make the nose appear slender, but like appear straight and slim. And then I use the flat brush just to trace this cut crease. So we are doing a cut crease, an ombre one, that you will use a lot of colors, just like this, just like this, just like this, guys. So you can use concealer for this, or you can use eyeshadow base. And after that, I went on with the flat brush just to apply the shimmery golden eyeshadow inside on the tear dot, and in between I used orange eyeshadow, and then I used brownish eyeshadow after orange. After brownish, I use a bit dark like black, just to give volume to the eyeshadow, just like that. Then I went on to line. So make sure you blend.
share and